So a lot of you guys DM me, text me, message me, and ask me what lipsticks I'm wearing in a lot of my videos or Insta stories. And so I thought I would do my top 5 that I've been using in the past couple weeks that a lot of you have been asking about. So I'm gonna swatch them for you and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks, bye. The first is a classic and one that is very dear to my heart. This is from Thrive Cosmetics, which is a brand like the Toms of cosmetics that gives back to women that are going through chemotherapy or getting back from having cancer treatments and need makeup and need to learn how to put it on and back to reinventing themselves after a really hard time. My mom, as you know, passed away from cancer, and so I was able to collaborate with the brand to create this color and name it after my mom, Ruth. What I love about this, it's a gloss that actually feels like a lip treatment. Like a lot of glosses like just go away really easily. This stays long and it feels super hydrating. I'm just gonna put it on her, yeah? You can see the swatch. This is kind of like my everyday go-to. But it's the perfect nude and I've gotten a lot of people addicted to it. So this next nude, it's an EVELOM Lippy, and it's like a lip balm in a little tube, but it has a nice tint to it. And I've worn it a couple times. People are like, what is that? So you can see it's a lot like lip balmy. It has a mint ingredient that kind of gives a little tingle to the lips, which is always exciting. This is a color I wear a lot and you guys always comment on it. It's from Bite Beauty. The color is Fig. And it's kind of like a corally pink and it's a little bit matte, but a little bit of moisture. Not as matte as most of the mattes. The next one is Vava Plump in pink. So this is from BUXOM. And I'll show you guys, it's like on this wand. It's kind of this like real retro-y kind of pink. Really easy to put on. Perfect palette, y'all. Last but not least is Charlotte Tilbury's Electric Poppy, which I just became familiar with and I am obsessed with it. So pretty. Oh, sorry guys, I'm just taking a selfie because I love my lipstick so much. I hope you guys enjoyed that. 5 of my favorite shades right now. I hope that you find your perfect shade of lipstick. Have a fabulous weekend and I'll see you next week. Comment below, subscribe, and tell a friend, please.